Bakan thoi ka jingdan bon ngot ki political appointee bala thung da ka sarkar MDA2 UMLA ka Congress na gambe gre Saleng e sangma ula bo jingkli bakat nungot na kihi ki bala nang la stad bat hakan nukur kom ki synñiang syaka jella. Daga bapen pau bau menteri rang ba ka jella Meghalaya Konrad ke sangma ula dap ban batai sepang ki jingthung ye ki political appointee na kaliang Saleng ula ong bagi pat ba ki sngoto bakade tang ka jingpen serwa ya ka pisa pat ba.
Political appointees, it's a huge number. Whether they are educated or not educated, we don't know. And then moreover, what kind of contributions that they will give to our state economy, we don't know. But as Chief Minister has already replied, because of the political parties' inclinations that they are being appointed. So that's a simple answer given by the Chief Minister himself. So we all know, public knew about this one. It is just a wastage of our public exchequer. I don't think so, because what about the TA that they, get it? Have you gone through that one? How much TA that? Maybe he might be talking about the salary being paid to them. What about the other, other expenses? He might not have given you in detail. Look at one chairman, how much they are taking in 1 month. Okay, what about the rent house, their POL and other sorts of salaries?